LIC that is back at the center of market conversation as a mix of catalyst and constraints shape its near-term trajectory. Now, when you talk about this particular counter, it's trading at a discount to peers, but a clear shift in fundamentals is also what you're seeing. The upcoming IDBI stake sale is also a case in point that you're looking at. At the same time, you do have the government's planned OFS and regulatory stake requirements that are keeping a lid on the sentiment at this point in time. To make sense of all of these triggers, in fact, we have Hiral standing by with some more analysis.
Thank you so much for that. So clearly, it continues to trade below its issue price in the month of May 2022. Now, there is a strong fundamental shift happening over here where we're talking about Q3 numbers which have shown a significant improvement on the back of a change in product mix. Now, IDBI Catalyst is a 100% windfall gain for them because the divestment where LIC would offload around a little over 30% would actually fetch them close to 33 to 36,000 crores as well. And then post that, LIC is expected to retain around 19%, and over 2028 they will have to reduce it to almost below 15%. Now, the only risk to this is the government OFS in LIC, which was likely in the fourth quarter of FY26, which is the current quarter, and they were looking at a 1.1 to 3% in terms of the OFS. That would potentially put some bit of pressure in terms of the stock price, but whether that time becomes an opportunity to buy a LIC is anyone's guess. The risk reward is seeming majorly favorable if you look across things when you talk about the IDBI stake sale, LIC OFS, the residual IDBI holding, and the regulatory exit that would be required. So all of these factors majorly are on the positive side. Very moderate or high risk are only in two factors. Valuations also are at a discount versus the peers. And if you talk about brokerages, majority of them are positive. And the highest target price that we're seeing on this one is 1,345, which is by a city, and they have a buy recommendation as well. So brokerages positive, valuations absolutely cheap as compared to private peers, and the IDBI catalyst along with the NSE IPO that would come in are the key catalysts that you should be watching out for.